हेलो एवरीवन, क्लास 7 कैसे हो आप सब बेटा? आई होप यू ऑल विल बी फाइन. सो टुडे वी हैव गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑन द न्यू टॉपिक एंड चैप्टर नंबर 4, heat, related to the heat. So transfer of heat. Okay, so without any wait, let's look transfer of heat. For the understanding of transfer of heat, we would take an example. Okay, so please listen carefully. First of all, we take a utensil pen. Okay, take a utensil pen and utensil pen put on the gas stove or flame. Gas stove or flame. What happen? The heat is transferred from the gas stove to the pan. The heat transfer from the gas stove to pan. Okay, after some time, approximately 5 minutes, after some time you can what beta remove the pan from the gas stove. What happened? After 5 minutes, the heat is transferred from the pan to the surrounding. What happened? The heat is transferred from the pan to the surrounding. So this is a best example of the transfer of heat. How can it travel how can it travel beta? You can understand with the suitable example and get one kinds of the activity are there. What's the activity? Take a utensil pan, put on the gas stove flame. After some what happen? The heat is transferred from the flame to the pan. After some time what happen? The pan is become hotter. It's become hotter. After some time you can remove the pan from the gas stove flame. What happen? In this case, this is the first case. After second case is what beta? Second case is the heat is stored on the pan. After some time the hotter pan it's become cooler. Why? Because the heat is transferred from the pan to the surrounding. Okay, take a second example for the understanding of transfer of heat. What's the second example? Second example we have, take a metal rod and kept between the two bricks. Means it kept between the two bricks. Okay, and the box pieces on it, some box pieces on it, and take a equal distance between them. And after kept the rod, you can kept one flame source. What happen? The first end it's become hotter. After some time. Why? Because the flame of this, okay, flame of mom. What happened beta? This end is become hotter and the heat is transferred from the hotter to cooler. It is the best behavior of transfer of heat. What happened? The heat is transferred from the hotter to cooler. What happened? After some times the wax pieces which are kept on the rod, this one. what happened? Due to the heat, the wax pieces is melt and fall down. How? The first wax pieces which are near to the flame, what happened? First of all, this one is fall down. After some time, this one is fall down. After some time, this one is fall down. What we understand about this activity? We understand the heat is transferred from the hotter object to cooler object. Okay. In this case, you understand carefully what the conclusion is. What? The heat is transferred from the hotter object to cooler object. Now take a second example. Take a one kinds of the word we listen most of the time. This is the conduction. What is meaning of the conduction? So you can write on the conduction. Conduction is a process. Conduction is a process in which heat is transferred from the hotter end to cooler end is conduction. Okay, so you can write the definition of conduction. What you can write, beta? What you can write? The conduction is a process in which the heat is transferred from the hotter end to cooler end is conduction. Okay, so next topic we have discussion and the next day. Thank you so much.